Welcome to my Sonia Nevermind makeup tutorial from Danganronpa. Ignore how my wig looks, I know. I'll start off priming my face with the Flower Hydrating Primer. Then I'll start using my concealer from L'Oreal Paris, and I'll conceal any blemishes that I have. I'll conceal my under eye bags, and I'll prime my eyes for the eyeshadow later. But for now, I'm blending it out with my beauty blender. For foundation, I'll be using the Pro Glow by L'Oreal Paris. Put some on my sponge. Maybe that was a little too much. I apologize. You can definitely, by the way, put your makeup on while wearing a wig, but just make sure that all the wig hair is out of your face. If you're wearing a wig like this, definitely try it. A wig without bangs, preferably. With my eyeshadow brush from Unicorn Cosmetics and this Ulta Beauty makeup kit from Ulta Beauty, I'm gonna take this shade and I'm gonna buff it into my crease. This is gonna act as your transition shade, but it's also gonna be your guideline. So when I applied the green eyeshadows on my eyelid, I know I shouldn't bring it above this transition shade. Then I'm going to take this slightly darker reddish brown shade, and I'm just going to put that in my crease and build up the intensity. You also want to put it in your outer corner, like right here. This is the Glam Squad Dual Eyeshadow Brush, so I'm going to take this clean brush and blend everything out before applying the next color. I'm going to go in circular motions. That will definitely buff it out. Next, I'm going to take a black eyeshadow and put it right here. I know right now it looks like I want to have a winged eyeliner effect. Yes and no. Not really. But you just want to put it right here in the outer third. Make sure you're not creating any harsh edges. Make sure you're blending it out in the process. Then, with that same brush, I'm going to diffuse the edges. Blending everything out with a clean brush, again from Unicorn Cosmetics, just to make sure that everything is nice and smooth. There's no secret, it's just blending. I'm gonna powder my face with this pressed powder by CoverGirl. It's out of focus, I'm sorry. It says CoverGirl on it. I don't know why it's not focusing. And you're gonna press that all over your face. This is so the makeup, the foundation specifically, doesn't crease. And the powder just makes everything look so, I don't know, matte. Then with my BH Cosmetics Take Me Back to Brazil eyeshadow palette, let's open it and see what green colors I can use. I think I'm gonna start out with this shade right here. And I'm gonna pack that on with this flat brush. And I'm gonna put it in the middle of my eyelid. If you don't have any brushes like this, you can just use your finger. It will do the same job. And finally, I'm gonna take this light green color, use a similar flat brush like this, and put that in the inner corner of my eyelid. Next, I'm blending out because I don't want any of that harshness. The eyeshadows are looking really harsh, so yeah. Highlighting my inner corners. Then with my pencil brush, I think it's a pencil brush, I don't know exactly. But anyway, I'm gonna take this red color right here and put that under my eyes in my lower lash line. Moving on to the winged eyeliner. This is from Maybelline New York. I think I'm gonna try to attempt to copy Sonia's eye shape, which makes sense. This is an anime character. The eyelashes I'm going to use today are from Kiss Lash Couture. So while I just applied some glue onto the lashes, I'm going to curl my real lashes and I'm going to coat them in mascara. Okay, on to the final step. I'm going to take a little bit of red lipstick from Maybelline New York. Blend it out with my fingers. You don't want it to be that red. You just want it to be very toned down. So that's why I just did that. Going back to my BH Cosmetics eyeshadow palette, I'm gonna take this color, put it in the middle of my lips, just so it looks dark. Just to give it a little darker tone in the middle. Just to define it. Okay, and that is how I do my Sonia Nevermind makeup. If this helped you out, leave a like, subscribe for more content. And this is maybe my first time doing Sonia makeup, except for last year. But I was just getting into makeup, and I can't believe how good it came out. So yeah. Anyway, I'll see you in the next one. Bye.